I just showered and I'm heading to an event. Kay is in his juicing era. He made orange juice while I was in the shower and he just bought me some. I am going to brunch. This event is organized by the young adult ladies at my church. Young adult ladies, does it make sense? You know how in church you have children's church, you have teenagers. In my church we also have young adults. Like they literally have their separate church service, different time, different programs or whatsoever. And then we have main church, which is what I attend. But I do like to, you know, stay young at heart. So most times when the young adults have events, if I'm free, I will attend. So the ladies are having brunch this morning and that's where I am headed to. The only problem is it's an all-white event and I can't figure out what to wear. First of all, I don't like anything that's like super rigid when it comes to the dress code. Like give me a theme that's like, you know, Barbie, for example, or tell me black tie, or, you know, tell me winter wonderland, but not like restrict to a single color. If you're gonna do colors, then maybe do a touch of this or a combination, because here I am trying to decide what to wear that's all white. So I brought out a couple of options and I'm trying to decide what to go with. Let me show you guys. So this is everything that I have brought out and I'm considering. The only reason why I'm in this position, first of all, is because I was not gonna attend this event. I had another engagement this afternoon, but that got pushed forward. So yeah, last night I literally decided I'm gonna attend this. So yeah, I'm thinking I could do a shirt and white pants, or I could do, what else is here? A white jumpsuit, or I could also do a dress, but I think it's like it's too cold for a dress. It's actually snowing today, so I'm also keeping that in mind. I was also thinking of this waistcoat, the waistcoat with white pants, but I don't have like something that's all white to wear inside, and I just think that, I don't know, it's gonna be too monochrome-ish. I don't know how I feel about that. I could also do this two sets. This would be like the warmest option actually, but Kay hates this two-piece. I don't know why he hates this set, but he really hates it. I could also do this frilly dress or this other dress right here. For shoes, I know for sure I want to do these boots. These are my most comfortable boots. They're from Steve Madden and I've literally been abusing them this entire winter because they're just so comfortable. So because I want to wear these boots, I'm thinking I'll go with one of these bags. These are like the smallest black bags I have. Anything other than these, I think that they'll be too big. So in terms of small black bags, either like this little one from Guess, or I could do this purse here from YSL, or I could do like the Steve Madden bag that came with the boots. This bag and the boots were actually a gift from Kay. Actually, all three purses were gifts from Kay, but yeah, I got these from Kay last year, I believe for Valentine's Day, if I'm not mistaken. So with this in mind, I think I should go with, I'm leaning towards going with the dress. I just think it's easier. If I was going somewhere for like a short period of time, maybe if I was just going for the brunch only, I'd have worn the jumpsuit because the jumpsuit's actually pretty cute. But after that event, I need to go to church. We have a prayer meeting in church. And after that prayer meeting, we have leaders meeting in church. So I don't want to spend the full day wearing a jumpsuit because every time I go to the bathroom, I have to, you know, take it out and that's too much work. Let me wear a dress. Why am I leaving the house? Okay, let's do this. On the way, Kay is dropping me off and he has his own little things to do. What are you doing?
Going for an art exhibition in the city of Scarborough. It's organized by the city of Scarborough. I do have a friend who is displaying his art there, so I'm going to support him.
I was about to ask why you're calling it the city of Scarborough. Just say Scarborough.
That's the plan for the day. I'm sure my stuff is going to be more exciting than yours.
I don't know what's exciting about an art exhibition, but okay.
Wait and see.
Okay.
You see me where I am, you won't forget about me. You hold my hand, you say that my identity is in you.
So I'm almost here. I didn't look up the actual location or the address or anything, but this looks like an apartment building, right? Looks like a condo.
It looks like a condo though. Well, let's see.
Okay, so maybe they're using the party room.
I don't feel worth it 'cause I'm not, but you still stay. You love me so much that you sent your son to save. It's true.
You sort of settled in Canada and stuff like that. So things that are open up to you to sort of dabble into, things like TFSA, RRC. Balance in the pie. If you are aggressive, you are here. If you are balanced, you are here. If you are, you are here. So
It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't 'cause of the price. In your love, you made me, forgave me, then saved me. You're not mistaken.
I forget, it's Songs of Solomon actually, because I was reading Songs of Solomon and I first, God was revealing to me of how like, it's also between Jesus and the bride, like you have someone that loves you so perfectly, and I think it was a conversation we had last week. So more so, I think God was now showing me that like He has chosen me as someone to love, as a lover. Like, but if I had just seen God in that realm of God is just my Father, I would not have been open to be revealed to that part of Him choosing me as a lover.
The event was okay. I don't know what my expectations were, but it was all right. Kay just picked me up and we're heading to church. Our prayer meeting was from 4 to 6, leaders meeting was 7 to 8:30, and now we're heading home. There was a delivery when we got home and I just want to unbox it.
You see me where I am, you won't forget about me. You hold my hand, you say that my identity is in you.
Oops, my box is upside down.
I don't feel worth it 'cause I'm not, but you still stay. You love me so much that you say.
So essentially I have a campaign, so I needed to get a new mop system because the one that I have is old, so I just decided to get a new one and then use something new for the campaign. Let's put it here first and then let's take this to the door.
Son to save. It's true.
It's way after our regular dinner time, and so we're not gonna have anything super heavy. There's leftover goat stew in the fridge from yesterday, and instead of making rice, pasta, potatoes, or whatever type of carbs to go along with that, I decided to bake. I'm really tired and sleepy though. It's been a long day and I'm usually in bed by this time actually. So Kay came along, said I should show him how to make the scones and he'll do it. But I end up just sticking along and we just making them together and it ended up being a nice little activity. I'm just realizing I think I have a control problem because tell me why I am just standing here and literally like supervising this man when I've already told him what to do. Yeah, I need to learn how to relinquish and let go and just let the things be done without me necessarily being there.
What makes me who I am ain't cause of the prize. In your love you made me, forgave me and saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking.
I'm just gonna restock my flour canister and then clean up while waiting for the scones to bake.
It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't cause of the prize. In your love you made me, forgave me and saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking. It doesn't matter what the world says.
I'm so sleepy. I just want to leave everything and not even wait for the scones. I just want to go sleep. But thank God for systems. I think this is where my systems come into play because I have done this for so long. Like I never go to bed without making sure the kitchen is clean. And I've done it for so long that it's just become second nature. So regardless of how tired I am, I just can't go to sleep leaving the kitchen like this. Also, tomorrow morning is church. So yeah, I need to wake up early. Church or not, I just don't want to face, yesterday's issues today. So I'll just rather deal with this today, go to bed and wake up to a clean and fresh kitchen. Just gonna take these back to the pantry. My pantry is in shambles, you guys, and I'll get to it. I'll get to cleaning it, just not tonight. While I'm down here, I'm just gonna get my laundry. I did laundry in the morning before we headed out. So let's take that up. Ooh. Sometimes I kind of like regret my decision to go with the laundry tower, and I wish I had gone with the regular, washer dryer that are beside each other, because it's like if I'm putting stuff in the washer, I have to bend down to take it, and if I'm taking stuff from the dryer, I have to take it. But if I had the regular washer dryer that top load, I think it's called top load, then I'm just like taking stuff out. But can't cry over spilt milk.
My sin and shame don't decrease how you see me through. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't cause of the prize. In your love you made me, forgave me and saved me.
I spilled some baking soda here in the morning. Let me just get the vacuum and clean it up now. take this up when I'm going to bed. I need to change my dish sponge. That's why I didn't take this down. So I'm going to pick one. If you are into Scrub Daddy dish sponges, I think this pack is a great deal. It's like great value for the money. It's an 8-pack and I got it in Costco. I think it was like $24 if I'm not mistaken for 8 of them. Was it 24? Yeah, I think it was 20 something dollars, probably like 22 or 24, something along those lines. Yeah, I love the Scrub Daddy products, but they're expensive and I don't know that I'm going to continue using them once this pack is done. I've been using them for over a year at this point, but I've just been like looking at little areas that I can cut down on our spending this year in order for us to like reach our financial goals. And this is one of the things that came up for me because like, why am I spending money on a dish sponge that costs like $5-6 for one? Like when it's regular priced, obviously. And also the rate at which I switch these out is really high. Like dish sponges are dirty, right? Like this is probably like the dirtiest thing in your kitchen. So I don't know, because I switch these out super often. I don't know that it's worth it for me to keep buying these. I don't know. We're going to see when this particular box runs out. But at the top of my mind, I'm thinking I'm going to switch and start using something else. Okay, the scones are ready and I've just dished out the goat stew. Gotta make some tea and we'll have this really, really late dinner.